Building a strong personal brand as an entrepreneur. Title: Building a strong personal brand as an entrepreneur. Introduction. In today's fast-paced business landscape, entrepreneurs face fierce competition. Building a strong personal brand has become crucial for success, enabling entrepreneurs to establish credibility, gain trust, and stand out from the crowd. This article delves into the importance of personal branding for entrepreneurs and provides practical tips on how to build a strong and authentic personal brand. 1. Understanding the power of personal branding. Personal branding is the process of carefully crafting and curating your image and reputation as an entrepreneur. It involves defining and showcasing your unique qualities, values, and expertise to differentiate yourself from others. A strong personal brand establishes trust, attracts opportunities, and helps create a dedicated following of loyal customers and supporters. 2. Identify your unique selling points. To build a personal brand, start by identifying your unique selling points, USPs. These are the qualities, skills, or experiences that set you apart from others. Consider your entrepreneurial journey, expertise, passion, or any other niche you excel in. Understanding what makes you unique is crucial to develop a brand that resonates with your target audience. 3. Define your brand's narrative. Crafting a compelling narrative is an essential component of personal branding. Define your brand's story, which includes your mission, vision, values, and the purpose behind your entrepreneurial journey. Authenticity is key. Ensure your narrative reflects your true self and resonates with your audience. Remember, people connect with stories, so share yours to inspire and engage with others. 4. Consistent online presence. In the digital age, an entrepreneur's personal brand largely stems from their online presence. Consistency across various platforms is vital. Start by establishing a professional website that showcases your expertise, achievements, and your brand's narrative. Maintain active profiles on relevant social media platforms, engaging with your audience by sharing valuable content, insights, and updates. 5. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms can be powerful tools for personal branding. Choose platforms that align with your target audience and engage meaningfully with them. Share valuable content regularly, including articles, videos, podcasts, or impactful quotes that reflect your expertise.